Gyms and leisure facilities have not been given the go-ahead to open. 11-time Paralympic champion Baroness Tanni Grey-Thompson has written a letter to the Prime Minister warning that public health may be harmed for a generation if they stay closed. I have just spoken to her about the letter, written in her role as chair of the leisure industry body ukactive.
Well, detailed plans have been with the government since May the 7th, and it covers physical distancing, cleaning, ventilation. And the challenge is we don't know why they think pubs are sort of safer than gyms. What we want going forward is actually direct connection with the chief medical officer so we can work on the issues. We've got the ability to show people sites. A clear timetable for opening would be really important, because it's about health and fitness, which we can contribute to the health of the nation. It's also about the economy, which the government keeps saying is important. Health and fitness contributes over 7.7 billion a year. It's 600,000 jobs. And we think it's a really important part of getting the nation back on its feet.
Have you had a response to your letter to the Prime Minister?
We have had a response to the letter. I don't think it goes far enough in terms of answering the questions. So we're pushing back to say, let's work on this together. The sector wants to open safely. We want to put things in place that make people comfortable so they're there, ready to make a difference.
This is damaging for presumably local and council facilities as well as the other gyms and leisure facilities that are out there.
Yeah, it's across the whole sector. Provision comes from lots of different places. As of last week, there were sort of 2,800 facilities that were at risk of permanent closure. So it's in a really precarious position. And, there's 10 million visitors a year to different leisure centres, gyms all across the spectrum. So that's a huge number of people that might be affected. If you look at things like swimming pools, children are going to be struggling with lessons. Social prescribing, which is actually about saving the NHS money and helping people be fit and healthy, will be delayed. The target groups that we want to get to will be struggling to remain fit and healthy. And we know the fitter and healthier you are, you have a better chance of fighting a coronavirus. So there's lots of things that are in place, and we're just willing to work with the government to say, OK, what do we need to do? And we're ready to help you.
The Olympic champion and world record holder Adam Peaty has said how disappointed and frustrated he is by swimming pools not being open because of the benefits of swimming.
Similarly, athletes, there's some slightly different guidance around elite training. But, for swimming pools, it could be wider lanes, different changing, cleaning, people come in their swimming costumes and shower at home. Swimming is one of the biggest sports and activities that people do to stay healthy, and they haven't been able to do it for quite a long time. So all across the spectrum and the sector, I've never seen it coming together like this in terms of wanting to be able to open safely, and we're there to help.
OK. Baroness Tanni Grey-Thompson, thank you for your time this morning.